Hey everyone, my name's Grant. I'm the lead plumber at Affordable Comfort. Today I'm going to show you how to save $500 a year by installing the Laundry Pro 2. Let's start saving. Laundry Pro 2 is a revolutionary way to do laundry that works seamlessly with your existing washing machine. Using advanced ActivePure Technology, it cleans clothes with cold water, no detergent, no fabric softener, no bleach, and absolutely no hot water needed. Inspired by technology developed for the International Space Station and recognized as certified space technology, Laundry Pro 2 offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional laundry methods. Its design is to be simple to install and doesn't require modifications to your appliance, plumbing, or electrical system. Laundry Pro 2 helps reduce wear and tear on fabrics, eliminates harsh chemicals from your home, and provides cleaner, fresher clothes, while being better for the planet and your family. By cutting out detergent and hot water, it saves you money and pays for itself over time. Upgrade your laundry routine with the Laundry Pro 2, the smarter, safer, and more economical way to clean. And that's the Laundry Pro 2. If you have questions or want to get one for yourself, give us a call at Affordable Comfort. From everyone on the team, have a great day.